Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to define data types and how to store values in your Scala using like on Apache Spark. For that, open your Cloudera and connect your terminal to your Scala. Okay, and then let's get started with similar things, very simple things here like assigning variable hello as string as hello. So it is assigned like string is hello here. Again, if you say variable b, if I want to override it with b and let's say simple hello. Okay, and if I want to do b as hello plus, so what happened exactly here is, what I'm trying to say is, here it doesn't matter if you are using the inverted commas or not in Scala. If you're using the variable command, it will add, it will do the concatenation and everything, it is same. But this thing won't happen when you are using your val commands. Just this thing won't happen. Okay, and after that, why this thing that val doesn't happen? Because val is a constant, we cannot overwrite anything there. Okay, now let's assign simple data types here. Let's say val c is integer, let's say 1, integer is 1, where d is, let's say, your boolean, and boolean are like true or false, so let's say true. So boolean is true. Val e is your what, let's say character, char, and let's say it's a, it will be in single inverted comma a. Okay, I'm sorry. All right, so char a, and let's say now, well, let's define value of pi so that we can get a double value, double. Okay, so think 3.14159.265. I think this is your pi value, so it is assigned as double. And now let's see long. There is a there is a simple tricky part in long which I'll just show you now. If I say val f as long, and I'll give some simple values like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and press enter, it will say long, it won't give anything. But again, if I say 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, this is also long, but when I press enter now, it is showing me an error. Why it is showing me an error? Because what if I put long or integer, it will take it as an integer and there is a fixed value for long. Like your above 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 8 is, it can consider as long, but after that, if the values are big, it won't consider as long, it will give you straight away an error. So to fix that, whatever the value is, just type lowercase l at the end. Just type lowercase and l at the end and press enter, and now it is assigned as your long. Okay, and similar thing is with your float. Let me show you an example. Val p float, let's take the same pi value 3.14159.265. Again, it's showing me error, right? So for to fix this, just press F. So L as in Lima for your long value and F as in Foxtrot for your float. Press enter and it is fixed. Okay, and what all are left? Yep, byte is left. Val G, let's assign val G as your byte, which is, let's say, 127, and it assigned as byte. No issues with that. Also in your Scala you can simply you can assign your Boolean operation. You can do all the Boolean operation like, well, a equals to 1 greater than 2. So guys, is 1 greater than 2? Boolean is false. Okay, so if you press a again, and if you want to print the value of a, so it will be false. Always it will be false. Also you can do simple your if else condition as well. Let's say if you want to do if 1 smaller than 3, if 1 is smaller than 3, let's say println impossible. Okay, and oh, I'm really sorry, I pressed long before. Let's type it again. If 1 is smaller than 3, I'll say print ln, which is impossible. Okay, close it. Else, open your bracket, print line. Let's say it makes sense. Okay, so you can see that you can do simple if else statement is that if 1 is less than 3, print impossible, so it is printing me impossible here. All right, so you can also do your switch commands, like your in your switch we have here match, and also we have loops. If you want a loop you can do that as well. Let me show you one loop, that like for loop. So for that, for x smaller than, let's say, we use such character here, let's say 1 2 4. Oh, I have to open that. Okay, and I'm assigning a constant value a, let's say x into x, print line a. Let's close it. So it will start a loop here. So simply you can assign your do your loop commands and basic things. So I like in my next video I will be I will be uploading many more things. I will be teaching many more commands like your square it, cube it, how to assign your functions and functions inside your functions. So I'm like closing the video up to this for this much for the data types. And if you like the video, just give a thumbs up, and if you want you can subscribe it for my future videos. And if you have any doubts you can just write down in the below comments, and I'll surely make the video as per your doubt. Okay, thank you so much guys.